Go on, just one bite.
You get it?
Yeah!
The brine used for fermentation is often a family secret passed down for decades. Some master producers use 30-year-old fermented starter liquid to achieve that signature, complex pungency. Beyond being a snack, these pupae are a massive source of high-quality collagen. In South Korea, they are actually processed and used in the beauty industry for skin rejuvenation products.
These leaves are so fresh with dew.
Yes, a bountiful harvest today.
The basket is filling quickly.
이거 맛있어요?
네, 아주 맛있어요. 따뜻해요.
그럼 하나 주세요.
네, 여기요.
이거 맛있어요?
네, 아주 맛있어요.
이거 주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
자, 여러분, 누에의 성장 단계를 잘 보세요.
사살아 있어요? 꿈뜬 거야. 맞아, 뭐 뒤다리 봐.
There was a long-standing urban legend that these were soaked in horse urine due to the ammonia smell. This became so widespread that scientists had to officially prove the scent is just a natural chemical reaction from the alkaline clay.
好靚啊！
請慢用，快試下。
Under this light, you see the alkaline transformation. The dark outer layer is from hydrogen sulfide, while the green yolk shows ammonia diffusion.
Fresh century eggs, all stages here. Are these the peeled ones?
Yes, and very good quality.
Best in the market.
You should never mix it with alcohol. The fruit contains sulfur compounds that block the enzyme your liver needs to break down alcohol, which can lead to severe nausea or even alcohol poisoning.
Kilo ละ 88 บาทครับ
ลดราคาหน่อยได้ไหมคะ
ลูกใหญ่พิเศษ 290 บาทขอกิโลนึงครับ
อร่อยครับคะ
Many people try to eat the whole thing, but the hard, rubbery white part, the albumen, is actually called botto stone by locals. It is usually discarded because it's nearly impossible to chew.
Balut! Fresh balut! Balut, hot and ready!
One please.
Coming right up! Go on, just one bite.
You get it?
Yes! Whoa, not bad!
Pabili po ng 10 balot. Walang problema, sir. Mainit pa.
This chart shows the protein in balut. Notice the values here. And these are balut eggs. They provide a natural source of protein.
Masarap, kain tayo.
Talagang masarap. Sige, kumain pa tayo ng balut.
Wow, ang galing.
Last call for balut. Sun's up, time to pack up.